Hey, what's guys, Qiyi, and today we have an unboxing of a $15 7x7. So this is Qiyi's new QiXing S 7x7, and there's a new budget 7x7. So let's take a look and see if it's a good option for beginners. So here's the cube. It has those millie shades. I'm personally not a fan of them because they're really thick and they're not really that comfortable to hold. The size feels pretty good in my hands though, and the weight is pretty normal. Alright, time for first turns. Okay, so definitely pretty stiff out of the box. Corner cutting on this really isn't there when it comes to the inner layers. Like outer layers, the corner cutting seems alright. Like if I'm just spamming some moves here, yeah, it seems to cut pretty well. Kind of, but yeah, those inner layers, they are not very fluid. The feel is extremely smooth and pretty fast actually. Like you just see here, I'm turning it and it's pretty fast. Unfortunately though, I can't really use that speed to actually turn fast because if I try turning fast, it's going to lock almost every other turn. I also got a stickerless version, so let's take a look at that. I'm kind of digging the shades. It's that really pastel color scheme again. First turns, it actually feels kind of worse. Actually, this feels way worse. Yeah, this is really stiff actually. Doesn't seem to move very well. This probably just really needs some like Mario Lube or Speedy Shop's Lunar. Yeah, because I mean it's so sluggish. I'm not even gonna use this anymore. So final thoughts on this cube. The presentation is pretty nice. So it's sized well, it's weighted well. It's just that the stickers are pretty bad honestly. And the turning is fast and smooth, but it does walk up almost every single turn if you try to actually like spam TPS. Although you have to remember who this cube is really for. So this is going to be for beginner speed cubers where they're just learning how to solve a 7x7 for the first time. And obviously you're not going to be turning like as fast as possible. You're going to be turning really slowly, and the fact that this is really fast and smooth makes turning really slowly really easy. Honestly, new cubers nowadays are so lucky that they get all these really nice cubes for $15 because when I started, I had to start with like a QiXing 7x7 and that sucked. So that's all for this unboxing of the QiXing X. If you already know how to solve a 7x7 and you want a good speed cube, these are your good options. But if you're looking for a first 7x7, these are pretty great for you. Anyways, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.